What's going on, family? It's your boy Mr. Patron, and I'm here for another video. What's going on, family? I'm coming to you from Medellin. First of all, if you hear roosters in the background, this guy's been going off all day, so don't mind the roosters. But anyways, what I want to talk about in this video is this: turning your information and and starting an online business selling information. Now, there's three key people that you can become if you want to start an online business selling information. I'm going to be talking about these three kinds of people that you can become. You can be an expert, you can be a reporter, or you can be a broker. Now, I'm going to explain the three of these and how you can apply either one of these to starting your own online business. Because right now, if you want to start an online business, or you want to take your coaching practice or your skill, your passion into an online presence and sell it as an information product, whether it's a course or ebook or a document or something like that, you have that inside of you right now as you watch this video. So maybe you might fall into one of these three categories and you can go ahead and get enough value to take action after today's video. So let me talk about what is an info business. Like I talked about really briefly, an information business is taking your experience and your passion and taking it and selling it online. So let's go ahead and hop into the three. So I got my little whiteboard here. Don't mind the bad handwriting here. But you can see here we have expert, reporter, and broker. Right? Expert, reporter, and broker. So let me go ahead and talk about those three. Let me talk about number one, expert, which is obvious. If you're the expert, you're the person that's doing the skill. That kind of goes without saying. If you're an expert in the field, you're the person that's, really good at yoga. You're the person that's really good at helping guys get dates with women. You're the guy that's really good at running Facebook ads, or you're a marketer, or you're really good at, whatever it is that you want to teach. You're really good at producing music or singing or dancing or cooking, right? You're the expert. You're doing the skill. And that's the easiest way to go ahead and position yourself when you want to sell an information product, because you have a track record. You know how to do it already. You're doing the skill. You have mastered the skill, which somebody out here in this world wants to know how to do. So that's the easiest positioning. But sometimes, and this is a huge objection of people that want to start an online business selling the information, right? Starting an e-business, starting an e-learning business, a course, or selling the information online. Their biggest objection is this: DeAndre, I don't feel like I'm an expert yet. I don't feel like I'm good enough to teach people yet. And that's okay, because if you have a track record, which is results, right? Credibility, I talked about this in another video. Your results, whether you're a great dancer, right? You know how to dance salsa, bachata, because that's some of the stuff that I'm learning. If you know how to if you're good at speaking Spanish or something like that. See, those are your results that you can go ahead and use to sell because you're an expert. You don't have to have a degree or credibility, or all these different degrees and testimonials, all that kind of stuff. If you're good at what it is that you do, people are willing to pay you to learn how to do that. So that's number one, is becoming an expert. But what if you're not an expert yet? What if you're not quite good at something just yet, but you still want to start an online business? What you can do is number two, become a reporter. Now, what's a reporter? Now, you may have seen this. A lot of authors do this, right? A lot of interviewers do it. Think about it. If you've been on YouTube and you've watched an interview or a podcast or something like that, these people that are interviewing, are they the experts on whatever topic, or is the person they're interviewing the expert, right? And even though they're interviewing the person, they're still providing value to you as a consumer, correct? You see, you can also be a reporter. Now, what's a reporter? A reporter is somebody that interviews the expert in exchange for the value to provide to the marketplace. For example, let's just say this. Let's just say that I am really good at dancing salsa, right? I'm a good salsa dancer. I'm not a good salsa dancer, right? I'm not a good salsa dancer. And let's just say I try to sell you a program for $1,000 on how to do salsa dancing. Would you buy that program? Probably not. But what if I what if I went around the world for the next year and I compiled videos and training from the top salsa dancers in the entire world, the top 10, what to do, what not to do, the dances, the videos, the moves, and everything. And I compiled it into a video, right? A video series with the mentorship and all these kind of stuff. Would you then want to buy the program? Probably, right? Because it wasn't me that actually taught you, but I was the facilitator to bring the content together to sell it. Now, maybe dancing wasn't the best example because it's physical, but it can be anything. But you get the point of what I'm trying to say. When you become a reporter, you don't have to actually be the expert. You can go ahead and compile, do the research. Like, for example, when I started Expert Course Secrets, the company that I have right now, I had previously launched the course on Facebook ads, and I got, I did at least $10,000 in sales within a couple weeks. That was pretty good. But then I was like, okay, I want to get really good at this. So I invested in mentors, invested in other people's coaching programs to beef up my skill. What happened then is I almost became a reporter, because I had a track record, a little bit of a track record, but I took the expertise, the people that are making $1 million a month, $2 million a month, $3 million a month doing what I was doing. I tweaked it, and then I sold it to my customers, because I was able to not only take my track record, but my sales experience, but take the knowledge that I acquired over the course of 4 months and then sell it as a reporter, okay? So that's another thing. So if you don't feel like you're an expert yet, you can go ahead and report it, do research, do the articles, go do interviews, do YouTube interviews, look at podcasts, YouTube, do all this research to compile to go ahead and sell that. And that's a great way, especially if you feel fearful, if you don't know what to do, if you want to start on a business but you don't know what to start yet, or you want to create a course, or you want to take your coaching program online or anything like that. This is the great way to get started, all right? And it's actually ethical to do that. And the third and final one is the broker. Now, let's just say that you're not the expert. Let's just say that you don't want to teach on a subject. What you can then become is to be a broker of the information product. Now, what does that mean? A broker is a person that sells it on behalf of another person. Now, let's just say I do phone sales, right? So I get somebody that wants to get on my program, and I get them on the phone. Now, let's just say somebody wanted to come work with me, right? They would want to sell my programs. It's almost like affiliate marketing. You sell somebody else's, another expert's coaching program, and you get a commission for selling it. So technically you are in the space of selling info products, right? But you're not physically selling your own. You're almost you're like an affiliate. You're selling it for another expert, whether it's you're selling somebody else's coaching program, you're doing somebody else's DM closing on Instagram, or you're selling it on your, whatever it is, but you're selling somebody else's information product. You're brokering the deal by selling it for somebody else. Hopefully that made sense for those three expert, right? You can either become the expert, you can become the reporter, or you can become the broker when it comes to starting your own online business by selling information products, guys. Hopefully you got a lot of value from this. If you don't know who I am, my name is DeAndre Saxton, Mr. Patron, Miami Patron on Instagram. I do have a company that helps people become one of these. Whether you are the expert, whether you want to become the reporter, or whether you want to become a broker, I help you, equip you with the tools to start your own business so you can create an online program that you can sell and leverage and use the internet, use this phone, use the Wi-Fi, use this technology in this age that we have now to bring an income. Like, look at this. Look at the view I have. It like went weird. But look at that view. Look at this amazing view of Medellin, Colombia that I'm in right now. I've been able to live my life for the last 2.5 years online, making all my money online, and I'm only 23 years old. And I have a company that teaches and equips the mentors and the future people to start their own online business, to get people to take their experiences and take their passions or become a reporter and turn that into a product where they can change their life. If you're tired of living a job, if you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck, if you want to have more significance, if you want to change other people's lives, if you want to challenge yourself and pull yourself out, pull the challenge out of yourself to see what you're made out of, to change people's lives, to make money, this is an opportunity for you to go ahead and do that. So below, either in my Instagram or in the link in the description below, you will see a training. I have a quick little training video that you can watch that will get you up and running, give you the right information that can get you started with creating your own info product as an expert, or how to bundle it together to become a reporter, or how to broker it and sell it for other people. Thank you so much. Signing out from Medellin, Colombia.